All right, welcome today to Dale Kramer's Custom Cars. We're still trying to find the vibration in the old Red Dog here. And I put these other wheels on from my trailer out there. They're all balanced and everything. They used to be on Red Dog. And I took it off for a ride and still had the vibration, so it wasn't the rear wheel. So then I thought, well, I'll look at axle, see if there's a bent axle. But now I'm wondering if I'm looking in the right spot here, because this looks pretty normal. There's a little wobble there in it, as you can tell. But it seems to be about normal, what it would be normal. Let's see here. Turn this fan on here. Then go to this side. Okay. Well, it's got a locker in it, so you got to sit there and take your foot nice and steady. Slow this one down with the old foot. Then run to this side quick. Here you can check it. It seems to be doing okay. So I don't think it's the rear axle, and it still didn't eliminate it. So I can't say it was those rims and tires, and I can't say it's those rims and tires. I can't say that's the axle because it didn't change when I took it out for a ride. So now I'm going to start looking. I'm going to start looking at the front. I'm going to see if it's the front tires. Motor runs great, everything. But I'm going to see if the vibration is coming from the front. So I'm going to put you guys on pause here. What we're going to do is we're going to take those rear tires off. We're going to put them in the front. And we're going to put those back on the back where they belong. And then we'll take it off for a ride. This is called process of elimination. Now I'm wondering if it's up here. The back's got a professionally balanced drive shaft, new transmission. I did those pinion wedges in there, thinking that was it. So now we start looking in the front for a while. Okay, I'll be back in a minute. Well, let's get some tools out and we'll change them right away. See what the heck is going on here. So, like I say, I'm thinking it's in the front. So I don't know how much. I'm going to leave. I'm going to leave that all off. I'll take it off for a spin. I'm not putting none of this shit on there. Or stuff, I should say. Stuff I meant. Okay. This guy up here. And actually what I want to do is I'm going to put this tire on that side. I'm really going to screw this thing up. I'm going to try to figure this out. I can't do 60 miles an hour with the rest of the guys. There's too much vibration. Oh, that one was on there good. That one wasn't coming off. Oops, gotta run it over. I'm gonna run them without that stuff on there, see if that makes a difference too. Maybe that's showing them off. I don't know. I just don't know, guys. Okay. Yeah, let's go to the other side. If we can here. Yep. Pull this one to the front. Yeah. What do? You know? You problem solve by moving stuff around. Okay, now start it up again. Put it in gear. Why them tires wobble? Let's take you guys out here. Still gotta torque the wheels, but they're tight enough to show anything, I think. Look at how they wobble. Is anybody out there a tire guy that can tell? I mean, they put these on a balancer and they balance out nice. Would that be a problem? And then we get to the end where I don't know. I mean, I think we're gonna put her down on the ground and torque up the wheels here, and we'll take it off for a quick spin. Then we'll come back. Nothing else these I had on the back. We'll throw them on the front. We'll try that out. She runs beautiful. Everything's just great, but frickin' vibration. So, well, let's get these wheels torqued up. And I'm going to take it out for a ride. And then on the next video, so stay tuned. We'll end this video here. This is only 15 minutes long. And then I got to just torque these up, put it down on the ground, and take it for a quick ride. Now, in the next video, I'll explain if we fixed it or not, or nothing else. We're going to go to the front. We're going to put those tires on the front. Just keep problem solving until we can figure this thing out. Please like and subscribe, guys, and take care and have a wonderful day. And wait for the next video. It'll be out shortly. Bye-bye.